The price of Sprinter vans is getting out of control, but what would it cost you if you were to build Nirvana, our Sprinter van giveaway, from scratch? Well, let's start with the base of this rig. This is a Mercedes-Benz diesel-powered all-wheel drive Sprinter van with a high-output engine. You also have the high roof ceiling for tons of room on the inside. Everyone knows that diesel is the way to go because it gives you great fuel efficiency, awesome torque, and tows up to 5,000 pounds. The front of Nirvana has thousands of dollars in mods in this area alone. Not only do we have the CA-tuned front bumper with that bull bar, you have LP6 lights that are brighter than the sun and will definitely blind your opponents in a death match. You got a Warren winch with the integrated synthetic rope. That's the 12S. And then on this hood, we have an awesome satin wrap with a little bit of gloss accents molding all the way to the top of that gloss black that really just melts that windshield up to those SandyVans lights on top of the SandyVans rack. And on the rack, there's some other goodies that we need to check out. All right, admittedly, our camera guy forgot the drone. Thanks, Jeff. So I'm gonna have to give you a POV perspective of what's on this roof. Not only do you have one solar panel, you have two. You have a max air fan, a Starlink, and on this AC unit, you have additional storage that you can sit on, hang out, lounge, and enjoy some awesome views. The caboose is loose on this rig because you have a boost box in order to add additional storage capacity. You got skis, you got snowboards, you got anything you put in there, maybe even golf clubs go in the back of this thing that locks up safely. Integrated with a snow shovel, and you also have a full-size spare tire. You have the little step on the back here to get into your garage, and if we keep on making our way, there is more. Not only do you have additional storage right here to store some recovery gear, maybe hoses, anything you want that doesn't want to go on the inside. You can even put your keys in there when you go surfing, so you're gonna be able to get back into your van afterwards. We got the cutouts by Van Speed, and then we also have a ladder with additional molly panels to mount a surfboard, a snowboard, skis, I don't know what you're gonna put on it, but if you wanna get up on top of your roof, that's how you do it. The garage on this thing is huge because you could also flip this bed up to add additional storage if you had something a little bit taller. You have an outdoor shower in the back and included shower curtain that comes right here. So if you're not in the middle of nowhere, you could actually shower even in an RV park. You fill up your water tank right here. It's 20 gallons of water. Plus you have easy access to all your maintenance items if you want to access anything underneath there. You also have a couple of chairs that are included, so when you turn this thing into a kitchen setup, you have somewhere to lounge and hang out, which is all really awesome. No rig is complete without some meats, which is why we put these AVIX 32-inch RT tires on it. It's gonna make sure you never get stuck. That combined with some 18-inch Outback wheels by Black Rhino in bronze really match the motif of this thing, and you know we gotta upgrade that suspension. We ain't ever riding stock suspension at Ford 4x4, which is why we put an agile off-road suspension setup with Fox shocks. It adds another 3 inches of lift and makes sure to get you up and out and comfortable whether you're driving on the road or off the road. The interior of this van is insane. This is the captain's quarters layout by SandyVans, and we did some additional modifications that I think you're gonna enjoy, including these butcher block countertops that actually fold down. What the captain's quarters gives you is two captain's chairs right here that you can see we actually folded down into a bench seat, which makes it nice if you're just lounging around or at camp. You could also turn this into a little bed if you swivel all the seats around so a kid could sleep there comfortably. Underneath this cabinet, you have a potty that actually doubles as a step to get you on the bed. You could switch that out if you wanted to. It's a brand new compostable toilet, but I understand some people are gonna wanna have their own potty in there. On this other side, you have an additional butcher block countertop, an induction stove, a Dometic fridge freezer combo that's gonna keep all of your goodies nice and cold when you're on the road. You have a lagoon mount table on this bench seat, so when the chair is flipped up in a regular seat, you're gonna be able to work on it, have the kids put their iPads up there and do the things that you do when you're traveling. In the back, we have a queen size bed, and now this is a RV queen because it's not quite a queen, but it's 6'7" long, so even those tall boys are gonna be comfortable when they're sleeping in this bad boy. We have tons of storage all the way around with these cabinets that flip up and have a little rose gold color, and then that combined with the white oak ceiling and the LEDs looks fantastic in my opinion. You have a max air fan up top as well as a AC unit that blows cold in any weather condition, and all of that is powered by this Red Arc system that has 400 amp hours of lithium ion power, which means you could drain that down to 0 and recharge it, and there's going to be no loss of integrity on the battery itself. On top of that, the solar on top automatically trickle charges it, combined with a 3,000 watt inverter, which means you're going to have power in any weather condition no matter where you are. Which brings our grand total to that. I don't care who you are or where you're from, that's a lot of money. Why spend that amount of money and all the time and energy when you could win this one for just $12.95? Go to forge4x4.com, become a member, you're automatically entered to win. Or if you make a purchase on our site, every $1 you spend equals 1 entry to win this unbelievable Sprinter van and $50,000 in cash. That's enough cash and a van to live life on the road indefinitely. Go to forge4x4.com to claim your entries to win. And if you love content like this, don't subscribe, because you're gonna get tons of content like this. So why would you subscribe? Why would you do that? Yeah, it helps the algorithm. Yeah, I feel like a patsy every time I ask for it, but apparently it's something that you need to do if you want more people to watch the content. So if you like it, hit that like button.